Hey, how's it going, guys? So today is just a quick unboxing of this RCCar. This is a simple remote control car. As you can see, it's a 2.4 gigahertz, 1.28 scale RC remote, full function, and it has headlights. As you can see, it has these pivoting wheels, so it can go around a lot of barriers. Alright, so let's open this up. I believe at the time this was around $25, but I'll leave the link in the description. If you see this is something cool that you want to get for your kids. Nicely wrapped, bubble wrap. And here it is. I'm pretty sure this was the only color that they had. I thought it was a rechargeable, but it looks like it's going to be battery, so I won't be able to really turn this on and test it for y'all. But here's the on and off switch. As you can see, it could ride on both sides. It looks the same on both sides pretty much, other than this little battery hatch. But, you know, you can see it can easily roll over obstacles. Here's just a little owner's manual here, and looks like we need some double A's for the remote. And this one actually does have a battery. Oh, well, look at that. This comes with everything you need. Oh, okay. Well, I guess this video would be just a little bit longer, because I'm gonna have to install all this for you here. Maybe do some kind of cut and paste for you, so the video is not as long, but just bear with me. Here's a nice simple remote, real clicky remote. These are just for looks. Okay, so everything has a screw, which is good for kids, so that the battery lid doesn't open up and some kid doesn't end up swallowing the battery, or who knows what else kids would do. Okay, so here we go. Pop open the screw, put the screw right there. Use this to cut the plastic. Rip it open. I do like it when a toy comes with every single thing you need to get it working. And being that this is from Amazon, ships in 2 days, that's a pretty cool feature to have, right? That you don't have to worry about ordering other accessories, batteries, any type of thing. That's a pretty good bonus plus in my book. Okay, as you saw, that was pretty quick to install. As you see, the light turns on green whenever I turned on the remote, so we know that's working. Okay, so this one, I think I could undo the screw. Oh, I was hoping to keep it in the lid, but I don't think I'll lose the screw. Huh. Okay, so it came with a battery. So I think you get a backup battery. So you could play with one while you charge the other one. Wow, now that is very thoughtful of the company to do that. So while you play with this battery, you could be charging the other battery. Now that is a very thoughtful company. Because you know kids, they'll play this until the battery's dead, and then they'll cry when it's not working. So I hope this battery already has a decent charge. Okay, so let me just move this stuff back into the box here. Move the box out of the way. Thank you instructions, but I think I got from here. I would think it's already paired and synced. So I assume let's turn this one on first. Okay, red light. Turn this one on. Okay. Oh, look at that. So I guess I should have read the room. Okay, so both joysticks to go forward, go back. And then, you know, right turn, just one joystick, left turn, one joystick. Alright? It's going to be a little hard for me to get it going here, but I think I got it. So it's just, the joystick doesn't really go left and right. It's just up and down. And then from there, you can control it that way. Another way. Forward, back. Oop. Okay. And we'll just get a little bit to adjust to it, but I think kids will pick that up pretty easy. But as you can see, this thing is really powerful and it's very fast, so this will be a pretty fun toy to play outside. Okay, let's put this here and see if it'll go over this and get it going here. Okay, so now we need to go forward. Oop, forward. Yeah. Okay, go over all the obstacles. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Oh, it won't go over this ledge, but okay. It's actually kind of reversed. That's a little weird. Now pushing down for it to go forward. Oh, look at this. Okay, let me adjust that. You can go straight up against the wall. Oh, sorry, hold on. How cool is that? Nice. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, give me a comment below. I'll leave a link in the description, so just make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll try to bring you more cool toys. I think I have a couple ones coming up, and I think you'll enjoy them. There'll be some helicopters that I got, okay? And one's gonna be a drone. So if you have any questions, again, here's the box. There wasn't really a company name. I'll leave the link in the description. But it's just a generic brand. I think other brands would probably sell similar items. But of course, I picked the cheapest one that I could find on Amazon. So if you have any questions, follow the link and make sure you're subscribed.